The march to net zero is accelerating.
Global sales of green, social, and sustainability-linked bonds surpassed $1 trillion in 2021.
We've seen a tremendous rise in all things ESG.
Principal is committed to expanding the population of those living in financial security and creating new opportunity for generations to come through long-term responsible actions.
In the financial community, the prevailing view is that environmental, social, and governance factors are critical to investment decision-making. These decisions have the potential to support and accelerate climate action and social equality. ESG investments generally create a big opportunity for people to create a legacy of which they can be very, very proud. Sustainable bonds are designed to fund green initiatives and social initiatives for investors who want their money to make a positive impact. Principal issued a $600 million sustainability bond late in 2021. These investments are attractive from a yield perspective and a social perspective. As a father and as a corporate leader, being on the right side of history is important to me. What gives me hope and inspires me is the impact that we can make when our values align with the values of our customers and the needs of the planet, and we invest accordingly.
At Principal Asset Management, our commitment to responsible investing and ESG issues revolves around a key factor: our fiduciary responsibility to our clients. One example of how this priority drives our approach is with listed infrastructure. Over the last 2 years, we've seen significant changes in public and investor expectations on climate change. Net zero carbon goals are now expected, and the emphasis is on what companies are actually doing to get there. Our research shows that listed infrastructure only represents about 5% of global equity markets, but it represents a quarter of direct emissions. ESG-driven investing used to be about excluding certain types of investments through screening, and there wasn't enough data to do much else. Now that there's tons of data out there, this space is becoming much more complex. At Principal, we're okay with complexity. In fact, we think it's an opportunity to continue to deliver differentiated outcomes for our clients.